Korean fried chicken, chicken kimbap, rice with chicken teriyaki.
It's gonna be salty and a bit of spice will be there, but
that
it's
would
not.
be nice. I like spicy.
Pre-made fresh fruit puree. It's coming from the Taiwan basically. This one is a passion fruit refresher.
Trying this flavored boba for the first time. Cheers.
We are here at Priya High Street, Delhi's buzzing hangout spot, and right in the middle of all that buzz sits
Tea Bear, the bubble tea brand crafting the most extraordinary bubble tea flavors India has ever experienced. It's a spot that has become the favorite for the young and the young at heart. Let's go check out together.
The vibe here is bright, playful, and fun. But what really makes this cafe stand out is something super unique. They have India's only fresh tea bar where tea is brewed fresh right in front of you.
Freshly brewed tea machine, like a espresso coffee machine. And we brew fresh brewed tea here. This is the tea, is like a same espresso machine, like we grind the beans and all.
Right.
So we have already grind the tea here, tea leaves. So we just have to put here in the espresso machine. So here you go. It'll take time for 2 minutes. Now it's done. So I'm going to make a passion fruit refresher. It's a 15 ml. So I can add the lemon juice, the passion fruit, pre-made fresh fruit puree. It's coming from the Taiwan basically. So I add the sugar in it for the bit of sweetness. As you can see, it's a fresh brewed tea here.
Right.
So I'm gonna add it here, the tea.
The oolong tea,
Yeah,
right?
the udon tea, yeah. Now I'm gonna add the fresh juice. I'm gonna add the ice already here. This one is the passion fruit refresher.
Cheers. This one's very fruity and refreshing.
We have a flavor popping bubbles also. That one is also coming from Taiwan. They're
Which
imported
one
from
is
the
that?
Taiwan. So I added for you. It's a passion fruit popping boba with the passion fruit
So
refresher
it's a
drink.
flavored
Yes,
boba.
yeah.
Oh,
So please try it.
Trying this flavored boba for the first time. Cheers. There's some magic happening inside. It's popping on its own. Nice.
Now, let's move on to food. Tea Bear also houses Ramyun Zip, their fun Korean-style
Self-ramen bar where they have so many options from vegan to halal to extra spicy to spicy, medium and mild. So you are spoiled with options. I'll go for this. So the next step now is to go to the ramen bar. So I'm going to choose my toppings right now. Take a little bit of the
Mushrooms.
the corn, a little bit of the bean sprout, spring onions.
Spring onions.
Yeah.
What we do is we place the bowl inside here because it's kind of an induction thing.
Oh,
It's gonna
alright.
boil up.
So raboki is ramen plus tteokbokki, which is the Korean rice.
Rice cake. And it comes with the seasoning, dry veggies.
Yeah.
And now, what we do is we just press one over here. The water will come out automatically.
Oh,
And then after 4 minutes,
it'll
it'll
be
be
ready.
cooked. Yeah. So we add this seasoning over here. It's a homemade chili flakes,
nice.
and it's vegan. It's gonna be salty and a bit of spice will be there, but
that
it's
would
not.
be nice. I like spicy. We have our order here, as you can see. So we've got 2 drinks here. This is the classic taro bubble tea, passion fruit refresher with the popping flavored boba, Korean fried chicken, chicken kimbap, rice with chicken teriyaki, raboki. We should first start with our kimbap. Look at the stuffing. It has got some carrots, some cucumber, capsicum, chicken. Gonna dip it in the soy sauce. And there you go. I feel like I'm sitting at a convenience store in Korea and trying the food. I mean, the food kind of reminds me of that taste. The ones that I've drank before, I feel like it's very diluted. I can't really feel the flavor of the taro, but this one was actually really good. I think this is one of the best taro bubble tea that I've ever tried in Delhi. We're gonna try the fried chicken. So the sauce, of course, is the main part of the dish. Oh wow. The sauce is sweet and spicy, and that's the signature feature of Korean fried chicken. We're gonna try the raboki. I think the chili flakes that we've added is making it a little spicy. We're gonna try our other dish, which is the teriyaki chicken and rice. So the teriyaki chicken has got some capsicum, some onion, as expected, sweet. So guys, if you haven't been to this place yet, you're seriously missing out on a lot of fun. So take this as your cue to plan a visit with your besties or even for a refreshing solo date this New Year. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to Times Foodie. Bye! Happy New Year!